If you're thinking about getting a paint sprayer and want to avoid wasting money on the wrong one, stay tuned. Today we're ranking 5 popular sprayers, from weakest to best based on real performance, build quality, and overall value. Starting off in 5th place is the LF207A. It's a budget-friendly sprayer that has become pretty popular among DIY users, mostly because of its low price and ease of use. It doesn't pretend to be professional grade, and that's why it actually fits right here at the bottom of the ranking. For smaller home projects like repainting furniture or giving cabinet doors a refresh, it does a decent job. The 700-watt motor has enough power for light coatings, and having multiple nozzle sizes makes it easier to switch between thin and thicker materials. The 40-ounce paint cup is big enough to finish most small projects without constant refills, and first-time sprayer users usually appreciate how simple the device is to operate. However, the body of the tool is entirely plastic, and that affects durability quite a bit. Thicker paints require thinning, and if you don't thin correctly, clogging can happen quickly. Compared to the others in today's ranking, it simply can't offer the spray consistency or finish quality of the higher level sprayers, and it's not ideal for anything beyond occasional DIY work. That said, if you're on a tight budget and you only need something for small projects around the house, this could still be a solid pick. And if that sounds too limited for your needs, don't worry, we're moving up the list fast. You'll find all the products from this review at the best price linked in the description under the video. 4th place goes to the Finish Max. This sprayer has built a strong reputation among beginners because it's comfortable to hold, easy to control, and incredibly simple to set up. It's one of those tools that lets you get decent results even if you've never used a sprayer before. For things like furniture flips, craft projects, doors, trim, and fence panels, the Finish Max is a nice match. The spray pattern control and multiple nozzle sizes offer some good versatility, and unlike many inexpensive sprayers, it can produce a really smooth finish once you get the hang of it. It's the type of tool that gives you confidence when you're first learning. The downsides mostly show up when the projects get bigger. The motor isn't very powerful compared to the other sprayers on this list, and thicker paints still require careful thinning. And although it performs well, the spray consistency and speed just can't compete with the higher ranked models, especially once you start working on larger surfaces. If you want something easy to handle for everyday decorating or woodworking projects, the Finish Max is an excellent budget pick. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and lets us keep making reviews like this. In 3rd place, we have the 2-gun set that includes the H2000 and H27. Stepping up into pneumatic sprayers changes the game completely. With proper air supply, the finish immediately becomes more refined than what electric budget sprayers can usually achieve. This set is great because it covers both sides of the painting world: precision and coverage. The smaller gun handles detail work or fine coatings like stains, while the larger one is perfect for bigger surfaces and thicker materials. The stainless steel internals are a strong upgrade over plastic needles and nozzles found in cheaper sprayers, and the guns are lightweight enough for longer painting sessions. The catch here is compressor dependence. If you don't already have a compressor with enough air delivery, it's not worth buying. And even with proper air supply, spray pattern adjustments and technique take more practice than beginner-focused sprayers. It can deliver impressive results, but it isn't the most user-friendly option on the list. So who is this set for? Anyone upgrading from budget electric sprayers who wants to get into real pneumatic painting without spending a fortune. If you're ready to learn proper spray technique, this is where the quality level really jumps. The runner-up is the EPQ-X, and this thing is powerful. If the previous products felt like hobby tools, this one definitely crosses into high-performance territory. This sprayer moves a lot of material fast, and the build quality is a clear step above most electric models. It includes one of the widest nozzle selections you'll find in an electric sprayer, allowing you to switch comfortably between fine woodworking projects and larger outdoor surfaces. The huge paint container lets you work for longer before refilling, and the airflow and paint flow adjustments give you real control. Not just on and off spraying like you get with cheaper tools. It's not perfect though. Like most electric sprayers, paint thinning is still necessary for many materials, and cleanup takes some time. And although the performance is great for an electric sprayer, it still doesn't match the true professional finish of the tool in the #1 spot. The EPQ-X is ideal for serious DIYers or homeowners tackling regular renovation projects. If you want a powerful all-rounder without buying an air compressor, this might be the sweet spot. Taking the top position as the best sprayer in this ranking is the D1. This tool is simply on another level when it comes to finish quality and control. With forged aluminum construction and a Teflon-coated body, it's built for durability and long-term use. The spray is smooth, consistent, and incredibly controlled. Even when you switch materials or nozzle sizes, the fan pattern and atomization stay steady, which is exactly what you look for in a professional sprayer. The level P design means it works well with lower air pressure than many pneumatic guns, making it more efficient and quieter to operate. There are some things to keep in mind. it still requires a compressor, and the spray results depend heavily on proper setup and technique. If you're not comfortable learning how to dial in spray adjustments, you won't get the most out of it. And the paint cup is smaller than some others, so large surfaces will need more refills. But if what matters most to you is the quality of the finish, whether it's furniture, cabinets, automotive panels, or restoration work, this is the sprayer that stands at the top. It's the best performer in today's lineup. Every sprayer in this ranking has its place, whether you're a weekend DIYer or someone who wants professional quality finish. Check out the links in the description to see the top deals on each of the products we reviewed today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful.